The .NET framework has evolved over the years, with each version introducing new features and improvements. Currently, the main versions are .NET Framework. This is the original version, often referred to as the full framework. It provides a comprehensive set of libraries and runtime components for building desktop, web, and server applications. .NET Core. Introduced as a cross-platform and open-source alternative, .NET Core is optimized for modern, cloud-native scenarios. It's lightweight, modular, and supports development on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. .NET 5 and beyond. .NET 5 represents the convergence of .NET Framework, .NET Core, and Xamarin into a single unified platform. It's the future of .NET development, offering improved performance, compatibility, and productivity.